In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to add a new client. From the home page, go to the Clients tab and click New Client. From here, we can select a client status if they're active, inactive, on the wait list, or if they are a potential client. We would then add in the client's name, their phone number, and their email. Now, one thing that is a bit unique about Embark is the email is not considered a unique field, meaning if you have clients that are siblings or within the same family, you can enter the same email for each person, and when the parent or client logs in to the client portal, they will see the entire family's information instead of having to juggle multiple emails. However, let's say the client does not want to use an email or does not have an email. You can check this box here to make the email not required. They would then not have access to the client portal. Now, once you add the email, you do have the option of checking this box to email the client instructions on how to get access to the client portal to finish adding all of their details, electronically signing your consent forms, and other information. The information down here at the bottom is completely optional. If you're anything like our practice, you'll often get a client by calling you out of the blue. They spout off a bunch of information. You're already doing something else and don't have the time to remember it. So here is just an area to record some high-level notes about that client, what they're looking for, any additional notes. Maybe if they capture how they heard about you, you can remember that, and then maybe a preliminary diagnosis. Once complete, you can click the Submit button, and you'll be able to continue on with the rest of the EMR, and you'll find them in the Client Manager.